Number one. On the jerkbait. He might be a keeper, he's close, I don't know. Guys, yesterday I had no keepers on the other end of the lake, in the mid-lake area. So I came up here, up the river today, and there's way more fish, guys. Yep. Keeper number one. He's not big, but it's a lot better than yesterday, man. Number two. Better one. Okay. Got something figured out here, guys. About a 2.5 pounder. It's not bad. If I was in a tournament, I'd probably need to get a check, probably like a couple threes, and these would probably be a check. And I think I can find that. There's a bunch of fish in here just down on bait. Right here, I'm just throwing the Mickey rig. I'm using a 3/4 ounce head here, but I might even switch to a smaller one because they're not as deep as they were yesterday. But yeah, just a natural bait fish color right there. Just throwing it down here at these fishing bait and around these docks, and I caught one on jerkbait too, but yep. Thought he was a lot bigger, but little guy. It's a good spot, baby. There we go. Solid spot right there. That was cool. Another little guy, barely a keeper. Just watch him eat it. That was crazy. Literally watched that guy eat it. That was nuts. That's another keeper. That's number 5 right there. I think it might be number 4. I don't know. There's another one. That was a cool catch. I literally watched him eat it. They're literally in here blowing up on the top, and it's January. Catch them on a jerkbait. Yeah, another one. That's 3 casts in a row. Dude, this is insane. They're literally up here on the top. This might actually be a white bass this time. You look kind of weird. Is he? Yeah, he is. Well, there's white bass in here with him. Whew. Big old white bass right there. Whew. There's a good one. There's just a good one. That one's about 3. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Well, I just caught another 3-pounder, but I didn't get it on video. But I'm catching them right here. I actually need to retie real quick, but just this is the new mooch minnow from Rapala right here. I'm not sponsored, but I really do like this bait. I like this bait and the Strike King Z2 because of the stretchy Elastec material. And then I'm using a 3/4 ounce Queen City jig head here. It's a tungsten head. I'm going with the 3/4 because I can get it down there quicker. Realistically, I could probably use like a half or maybe even like a 1/4. I mean, these fish aren't that deep. They're anywhere from 50 all the way up to the surface, and that's why I actually came back here, because I saw fish out here and they were all hitting the top, and I was like, all right, let's go back there. So I did. There's so much bait in here, guys. I mean, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working, see if we can get us any big ones.